Hello, welcome to everyone. Let's see the problems regarding the quadratics on solving the complex quadratic equation. In this session, we are given with somewhat problem related to finding the equation of the graph whose points are given as 3 or 4 points, and we have to find the coefficient of the functions. Okay, let's see the question. The graph shows y is equal to ax plus b root x plus c. The graph crosses the x-axis at the points 1, 0, 49 by 4, 0, and it meets the y-axis at the point 0, 7. Find the value of a, b, and c. Okay, we have to find the value of a and b and c whose intercepts at the points are given us. Okay, let's substitute first the point 0, 7 into the given equation. We have to substitute x is 0 and y is 7. A times 0 is 0, b times 0 is 0. So c is equal to 7. This is the first value we have up get. Okay. Next, we have to substitute 1, 0 in the equation. 1a is a, root of 1 is 1, so b, then substitute c as 7, we can get the answer as a plus b equal to minus 7. Let's keep this equation as 1. Then we can substitute 49 by 4, 0. X is 49 by 4 and square root x is, we have to take square root of 49 is 7, square root of x 4 is 2. There are two square root values, one is plus 7 by 2 and minus 7 by 2, but in the question we are restricted with x is positive, that is x is non-negative, so we can assume only 7 by 2. Okay, then substitute x is 49 by 4 and b as, root x is x 7 by 2, and then we can multiply this whole equation by 4. We can get 0 times 4 is 0, 49 by 4, a times 4 is 49a, and 7 by 2, b times 4 is 14b, and 7 times 4 is 28. Rearrange the constant term into other side, we can get 49a plus 15b equal to minus 28. Then we can divide this by 7. We can get 7a plus 2b equal to minus 4. Let's keep this equation as 2. Then we can multiply first equation by 2. We can get 2a plus 2b equal to minus 14. And second equation remains the same. Then we can subtract second one to the first equation, that is 7 minus 2a is 5 and minus 4 minus of minus 14 is plus 14, and 5a is equal to plus 14, then a is equal to 2. Then substitute a in any of the equation, first or second, we can get the b value. So the values of a and b and c are 2, minus 9 and 7. Okay, that's all. Shall we move on to the next question? As next question is also the similar question. The question is different. It's the exponent function. The previous one is simply the linear along with square root function. Here the points are given as 2, 0, 4, 0 and 0, 90. The first step is we have to substitute 0, 90. Ax is 0. So 2 power 0 is 1. So a plus b plus c is equal to 90. We can keep this equation as first equation. Then substitute 2, 0. Then in power 2 power 2x. So 2x gives 4. 2 power 4 is 16a. Then 2 power 2 is 4b. C is kept the same, equal to 0. It's the second equation. Similarly 4, 0. So 2x is 8. So 2 power 8 is 256 and 2 power 4 is 16. Yes, we can have the 3 equations. Now we have to solve all the 3 equations to find a, b and c values. Okay, let's write the equations in order. And what we have to do, first we have to subtract 1 from 2. We can get 16 minus a is 16 minus A is 15A. 4B minus B is 3B. And C minus C is 0. And 0 minus 90 is minus 90. Here we have to divide by 3. By divide by 3 we can get 5A plus B equal to minus 30. We can keep this equation as 4. Okay. Then 3 minus 1. We can get 256 minus 1 is 255. 16 minus 1 is 15. C minus C is 0. 0 minus 90 is minus 90. Then we again divide by 50. We can get 17A plus B equal to minus 6. Now we have the two equations with A and B variables. Then what we can do? We can subtract 4 from 5. 17A minus 5A is 12A and B minus B is 0 and minus 6 minus of minus 30 is minus 6 minus of minus 30, which is minus 6 plus 30, which is 24. This is directly written here as 12A equal to 24 equal to, which implies A is 2. Then next step. Substitute A as 2 in fifth equation. 17 times 2 is 34 plus B minus 4, 6. 34 goes that side. So minus 34. So minus 6 minus 34 minus 40. So B value is minus 40. Now we can substitute A value, B value in the first equation. So 2 minus 40 is minus 38. Then 90 plus 38 is 128. So the value of A, B, C and 2 minus 40 and 128 respectively. That's all. So the main part of the such equation is we have to solve the simultaneous linear equation clearly and with very consciously to not to make any errors in the calculation. Okay. Suppose we have a doubt like this equation is this answers are right or not. So for our convenience, we can substitute those points and check our answer is correct or not. Okay. Left hand side equal to right hand side. If we get, then our answer is correct. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.